Getting started with photography or video work is not easy. We're going to start off real simple with natural light and how to manipulate it, and at a very small financial cost. Over here, well, I have two frames, PVC frames that I picked up. This is a 6-foot one and this is like a 4-foot one. The reason I wanted something big is because you can always go smaller, right? Something big covers the entire area that I want to photograph. Here it is. So today what we're using this for, this is a shower curtain for $1.50. It's using as a bounce light into mod here. And this one, it's an old sheet I've cut out. And so what it is four 10-foot PVC 3/4 pipe, and I bought 8 elbows, so I can make 2 of them, small one and a big one. So right now, this shower couldn't be used as a diffuse to come in, the light to come in, or it can be used as a bounce. And right now, we are using it as a bounce light. And as you can see, if I block that light, there we go, nice and soft. So with that said, if there's too much light coming in from this side, we want to diffuse it, we could just hold this up. Here, let me get on this side and you can see how that works. So again, this is just an old white sheet PVC. See the difference in there? Substantial. You've heard of a flag, right? It's a negative fill. It's usually black or opaque of some sort. So I have a black sheet here that I bought off of Amazon for less than $10. It's a single sheet, and I'll use this right now to block the light from bouncing back into our model here, excuse me. And just like that. Excuse me. There we go. Put her back together a little bit. So anyway, you can see that that works very well. Takes the light right off of her. So a black sheet, a white sheet, and a shower curtain. That's all you need to get started. Thanks for watching. Happy shooting. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.